Welcome back to the Garden Corner, everyone. I'm your host, and today we're tackling one of the biggest challenges every gardener faces pests without: using harsh chemicals that can harm your plants, your family, or the environment. The good news is, nature has provided us with some amazing ingredients that act as powerful organic pesticides, and the best part, they're easy to make at home using stuff you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's dive into 5 of our favorite natural pesticides that are not only effective, but also super simple to prepare. First up, we have neem oil. Neem is like a superhero in the world of organic gardening. It disrupts the life cycle of pests like aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies, making it impossible for them to reproduce. To make a neem oil spray, mix 2 teaspoons of neem oil with a few drops of dish soap and 1 liter of water. Shake it up really well and spray it on both sides of the leaves. Next is garlic spray. Garlic isn't just for scrying away vampires. It's a potent pest repellent to pests like aphids and caterpillars. Hate the smell and taste of garlic. Blend a few cloves with some water. Strain it. Then there is soap spray. A simple mixture of mild liquid soap and water can work wonders for soft-bodied pests like aphids and mealybugs. Just mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of soap with 1 liter of water and spray directly on the pests. Be careful, though too much soap can harm plants, so test it on a small area first. Chili pepper spray is another great option. Pests don't like the heat. Mix a few chopped hot peppers with water, let it sit overnight. Strain it and add some soap. This one's great for keeping caterpillars and other chewing pests at bay. Last but not least, we have diatomaceous earth. This natural powder is made from fossilized algae, and it's like tiny shards of glass to insects. It dehydrates them on contact. Sprinkle it around your plants, but be sure to wear a mask when applying it to avoid inhaling the dust. These natural pesticides are a game changer for keeping your garden healthy and chemical-free. And the best part, they're safe for beneficial insects like bees and ladybugs. To wrap things up, here are a few tips to make the most of these organic pesticides. Always spray early in the morning or late in the evening when beneficial insects are less active, and make sure to target the undersides of leaves where pests like to hide. If you've got a favorite organic pesticide hack, don't keep it to yourself. Share it in the comments below, and let's help each other grow greener, healthier gardens. These DIY recipes are one of the most effective pesticide I've used in my garden. Whether applying it to ornamentals, vegetables, fruits, or berries, it has cured even the biggest insect invasions. Perfectly safe for people, pets, and even pollinators. 5 different ways to mix and solve almost any pest issue in your garden. Thanks for watching, and remember, green gardening is the way to go. Happy gardening, everyone!